Hey guys, Alex and Johnny here. We want to show you 3 ways that ELF help us take care of our bikes.
ELF is not just a sticker on our bikes. We use their products for our racing activities.
Not only can they help you keep your bikes clean at home, also they can help us get our bikes ready to perform.
So let's go and see how they do it.
Firstly, we have the oil. Obviously, it's a very important part of the engine. It helps performance and extends the life of the engine. Very, very important for our reliability.
At KRT, we use this exact oil. It's capable of working at extreme temperatures. But for your bikes at home, you can use ELF Vent Vert,
which is what I use on my Kawasaki Supermoto bike.
This is our ELF racing fuel. Do you know racing fuel is a key element to increase power? Well, our ELF racing fuel can increase power up to 2 horsepower compared to other racing fuel brands. Racing fuel is also used to regulate the engine temperature.
We use a specific race fuel for our powerful engines. The guys at ELF give all the technical specifications to our engineers in the team to help get the most performance from our engine.
ELF and Kawasaki work together to create new fuels and lubricants to improve performance.
The third thing we use is the Moto degreaser from ELF. Obviously, in a race team, riding so much, we use a lot of this product. We use it on metals, bodywork, carbon, plastics. So we get through a lot of these cans, and you can buy this from your local motorcycle dealer.
It's such a great product. I use it at home on my motocross bikes. It's an essential lubricant to have in your garage.
At Kawasaki Racing Team, we've been working with ELF since 2009, winning many world championships together.
And you can have this race-winning technology in your bike with ELF.